build a flying machine.
You mean like whoosh through the air?
Up, 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 just like the birds.
And just like that, their wild idea took off. Well, not exactly yet. They gathered everything they could find. A cardboard box, a beach umbrella, 3 balloons, and a squeaky duck. It looked more like a rolling bathtub than a plane. But they were so proud. Max looked a little worried. Are we sure this will fly? Milo puffed up. We don't need help, we've got bravery and glitter. Out waddled Miss Maple from next door. She looked at the mess and smiled kindly. She said, "Were you two trying to fly?" Milo blushed. "We didn't exactly ask how." Miss Maple chuckled. "Even the best ideas need a little help." Miss Maple showed them how to make the wings sturdy, how to balance weight. This time, they asked questions. They listened. They learned. They counted again. 3, 2, 1. The glider lifted off the ground.
We're in the air.
WEREFUL いやいやいやいやいや energy.
Remember, even the biggest dreamers need a little advice sometimes.
Bony